Other car, it's a 68 Fastback, and it's an Eleanor. We have the Super Snake hoods on these, and we have the Eleanor kit molded into this car. We use the correct pepper gray metallic black stripes in this car. This is just one of the projects we got going on right now. We're doing pretty much the same thing on this car and the other. We go through a process of rebuilding these cars from scratch. We have here a 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. It's an original car. So we start off from these frames and then we work our way up to have the finished Eleanors. We always use original bodies. Also, all these cars have an original VIN number. These are not reconditioned shells or anything. These are original Fastbacks.